Amongst the following compounds, identify which are insoluble, partially soluble and highly soluble in water. Phenol, toluene, formic acid, ethylene glycol, chloroform, pentanol. Now toluene, this is the structure of toluene, and chloroform, CHCl3. Water is a polar solvent, so like dissolves like. Toluene is non-polar in nature, so it will not dissolve in water, so toluene is insoluble in water. Chloroform has slight polarity, so it is slightly soluble in water. The solubility in water is very less, so it may also be considered as insoluble in water because solubility of chloroform is very less in water. Next is phenol and pentanol, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. This is phenol, this is pentanol. In phenol, the OH group is polar, but this benzene ring is non-polar. Similarly, in pentanol, OH group is polar, but this long alkyl chain is non-polar. Therefore, both phenol and pentanol will be partially soluble in water. This polar OH group makes it soluble in water because of the hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Here also in phenol, due to hydrogen bonding with water molecule, it is partially soluble in water, but this non-polar benzene ring in case of phenol and the long alkyl chain, which is a non-polar alkyl chain in case of pentanol, decreases its solubility in water. So it can be said that both phenol and pentanol are partially soluble in water. Next is formic acid and ethylene glycol. Now both formic acid and ethylene glycol are highly soluble in water. Formic acid forms hydrogen bond with water, ethylene glycol having two OH groups. Both the OH groups form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Therefore, both formic acid and ethylene glycol are highly soluble in water. The hydrogen bond formed is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is wrong. The hydrogen bond will be between the hydrogen of the OH group of pentanol and oxygen of water molecule.